Document.
No! You're not needed right now, Barbara. I call my seeing AI app Barbara. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have another unboxing video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the October edition of the Look Fantastic monthly beauty subscription box. Also, if you are new to this channel, then hello, welcome to you all. My name is Emily, and be sure that you hit that subscribe button, and also be sure that you click that notification bell down below to receive updates when I post new videos. So if you're familiar with my channel, you know that every month I unbox the Look Fantastic beauty subscription box and I show you what's inside. So this is the box this month, and it's in a very deep cobalt blue colour, and the total value of the box this month is £58. And if you want to get some money off your first box, simply use the code EmilyDBB at checkout when subscribing for either 3, 6 or 12 months, and you will get 10% off your first box. So inside we have a little quote, and it says, "Relax, dream, enjoy." And then we have the box, and inside the box we have a little magazine, a little editorial spread, and it's got information on some of the brands featured in there, like by Terry. And then on the back you also get a little sneak peek of what you're going to get next month, and it's the Nebe Detox Oxygen Light Cream, which sounds really interesting. So I always like reading these. I find it's quite interesting to read a bit more about the brands, especially if it's a brand that I've never actually tried before. So I always like the fact that they put these in there that's got a little information on each of the brands and the products showcased in this box. And then here we have the actual contents of the box, which looks very full this month. There's a lot of stuff inside, and it's pretty much jam-packed to the top. So first up we have something for the bath, and it's from Bubble Tea, and it's the Earl Grey bath tea. Now I think that this is a very good shout to put a bath product in a beauty box, especially for this time of the year, because I don't know about you, but it's the time of the year where it's getting colder and I'm taking a lot more hot baths, because that's the only thing at this time of the year that seems to warm me up. I mean, it's going to be a bit of a shame if you don't have a bath to use, but you can give it to someone else as a gift. I'm really intrigued, and I'm going to get my app to read out what it says on the back with that delightful Irish voice that I have selected for it.
After a long day, fill your tub with the delicious sweet citrus aromas of this quintessentially British tea, containing of tea-infused bath salts. Relax and enjoy this exclusive bath time treat. This
sounds really nice, and it sounds like it's going to be a very uplifting with the citrus in there. Obviously Earl Grey is quite fruity based, it's quite a fruity scent. And also you are getting a 100-gram sachet of this as well, which is really good. So yeah, really excited to try that, and it feels like it's going to be like bath salt, so it's really going to be nice to detox the skins. The next item that we have in this box are the Star Skin Eye Catching Smoothing Cellulose Eye Masks, and I believe you get one pair in here, so it's like a one-time use thing. So the idea of these is that you put them on to cleanse skin under your eyes, and it just helps to reduce puffiness and any dryness, and it just helps to smooth the appearance of the under eye area. So really good if you're getting a lot of fatigue under the eyes, or your skin under the eyes is just looking particularly tired or dry. But I absolutely love using things like this. I don't always buy this kind of thing for myself on a whim, but whenever I get these types of things in beauty boxes, I always use them, and I absolutely love using them. So I will be saving these for an especially luxurious facial routine, or even if I'm going out somewhere and I want to use these to make me look very fresh under the eyes. Next up we have something for the hair, and it's the Glove Soft Hair Wrap. I believe you pronounce the brand like Glove because it's spelt G-L-O-V, but I'm not entirely sure. But this is supposed to be really good for keeping the conditioner of the hair. So let me get it out of this little packet that it's in, and I will show you. So this is basically a really soft toweling hair wrap. So the idea of this is that you pop it on your hair, it's got this little button here, and it ties up, and it's like a turby towel, but it's an especially absorbent one, and it really absorbs the water fast. So the idea of this is it's supposed to kind of catch all the water and help your hair dry quicker, so that when you come to drying it you don't have to do as much, and you can just basically just style it, which I'm all for, because I absolutely hate having to dry my hair when it's really damp when I've washed it in the morning, because it really just makes my hair feel very dry, and also the style never keeps in either, so I'll really enjoy using that. And it feels really soft and smooth, and it's the sort of thing where you go into a department store and you stroke a blanket and you're like, oh, that feels nice, but you kind of stop yourself from buying it. It's that kind of material, so I'm here for that, and I'm very excited to use that. Next up, we have the eCooking Overnight Foot Cream, which sounds very interesting. It's an overnight foot cream, and I don't believe I've ever come across an overnight foot cream before. But I'm going to give it a little smell, see if it's got a particular odour to it, because, oh, that smells like eucalyptus. Oh, that smells really good. I wonder if it actually has eucalyptus in it. My guess is that it does, because it smells kind of like eucalyptus, but I like very heavily fragranced foot creams, because obviously when you're putting a foot cream on, the idea is that it's to make your feet smell nice, so I'm always here for a really scented foot cream. The fact that it's an overnight foot cream sounds most intriguing, so hopefully after using this I'll have some very nice smelling and hopefully nicer looking trotters. I mean, I absolutely hate my feet. Fun fact, I hate my feet, but I still like to look after them because they do a lot of work, so yeah. Anyway, onwards. Next up, we have a little skincare product from Balance Me, and it's the Balancing Smoothing Serum. Now, I've tried another serum from them. They had a serum in, was it last month or the month before? I'm not entirely sure, but 1 month previously they did also have a Balance Me product in there, but I've not tried this one, so again, let's get Barbara and see what she can tell us. Come on, Barbara. It's your time to shine, my friend.
Short text. Our plant-based alternative to retinol radiance tetter and reduces fine lines, wrinkles, with anti-pollution, anti-blue egg protection.
It says that it's a retinol alternative, so this will be particularly good for anyone who uses retinols but finds that retinols can be a little bit more aggravating for the skin. I mean, I don't currently use retinols at the moment. I don't feel like my skin is at that point. I'm only 26, but there will come a time that I'll start using retinols. But retinol is basically for helping to combat signs of aging, and you're supposed to implement it into your skincare routine every night after you've cleansed your skin. But from the sounds of this is going to be more like a gentler version, but I'm not entirely sure because I'm not a big retinol user. But that has a very nice texture to it. It feels very smooth and quite lightweight as well. It has a very like botanical plant-like scent, like you can smell like a earthy kind of herbal scent to it, like lavender. But that feels very, very nice. So that just sounds like it's going to be really good for anyone who is using retinols but wants like a nice alternative, or even if you don't use retinols and you want to give it a go. So I'll give this a go, and I imagine that this will be quite a nice nighttime serum to use, judging by the texture of it and also the scent as well. The final thing that you get in the October Look Fantastic box is the By Terry Balm de Rose. Now this is kind of like a hybrid between like a lip gloss and a lip balm. So it's a clear lip gloss essentially, but it acts like a lip balm, and you just pop it on your lips, and you can put it on either with like a lipstick, or you can leave it on its own, just have this on its own, and it just makes your lips look really plump, really healthy, really glossy, and with a lovely natural sheen. It's a bit more high-end as well. Like this can be a bit more pricey to get, so the fact that you're getting it in the beauty box is really great, and I love this. I use this already, and it's one of my favourite lip products to use, and the scent is just so gorgeous. Like honestly, it smells like crushed roses. It smells like the smell when you make fresh rose water. Like if you've ever made rose water fresh, it smells like that. So this is just such a nice product. So I'm very happy to have another one of these, because it's always nice for me to have a spare one when my current one runs out. So that is the final thing you get in this box. And that's everything. So that is everything that you get in the Look Fantastic October Beauty Box for 2020. I really hope you enjoyed it and you enjoyed seeing everything that you get in this beauty box. Let me know down in the comments, have you got this box and what do you think of this month's box? Because I'd really love to know. And thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.